Home tour for you today. I am at one of Chateau Homes of Oklahoma's beautiful construction, a little bit smaller scale than what you may have seen in previous videos, but come on in and check this one out with me. A little bit about this one. We've got Hardie board on the outside. It has luxury vinyl floors, the plank ones that snap together, the nice ones all throughout. So if you don't like carpet, you want all the same, this is the house for you. Nice little front porch here, and it has a 2-car garage in the back. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has the snooze feature. It is gorgeous. Let me tell you, man, it's hot outside today. So right inside, we've got those floors like I was just telling you about all throughout. Right to the left here, we have got one of the bedrooms, really good sized closet. You've also got the molding around the bottom, which I think looks really nice. The thick ones, not just your standard molding, so I think that's pretty cool. Really nice bathroom. You've got the granite in here, shaker cabinets. The mirror still needs to be installed, but it's new construction. Oh, I let it fly in. Really good bathroom here. Obviously, soft clothes throughout this home. An upgrade that you're not going to get with some other builders in the same price point, let me tell you. Here's your other bedroom. Just a repeat of the other side. Moving this way, really nice open concept. So you have your dining area here. Let me get you the full effect. Really great. You also have the popped ceiling with the recessed lighting, ceiling fan, all this stuff. We'll go in the backyard in a second. You have a really nice covered porch out there. But here is that kitchen. Absolutely luxurious solid wood cabinets, okay? These are not the cheapies, the MDF board or whatever. Solid wood cabinets here, only $250,000. You have the granite counters, gas range, the shaker design, under-mounted sink. Obviously your refrigerator would go over there. Loads of cabinet space. And check out this pantry. Holy smokes, absolutely massive. Now this home has the snooze feature. So here is your utility room, which goes into that primary closet, which is equally spacious, lots of great built-ins. And then into the bathroom, nice linen storage there. Shaker cabinets again, those same granite counters. You have your toilet area, the shower, and here is that primary bedroom. Really great. Obviously, still need to do, that hole will be patched and we gotta put the mirror in, but it'll all be done before you move in. But love the hardware on here, that brushed nickel. I think it really works. I didn't show you the garage yet. Let's do that. Really nice size. Light switch. There you go. Really nice and bright. You do have an exterior door in your garage which goes outside. And then this one is just a storage area. And the other one's going to be your utility. Oops. The attic ladder is down. But anyway, obviously attic storage. This is a huge garage. Easily get 2 cars in here, and honestly would probably still have room for a workbench or something up here in the front. But let's go outside and check out the exterior. Really nice covered backyard, patio, huge ceiling fan out here. And you also have gas hookups. So if you decided you wanted to put your grill right here or build a whole outdoor kitchen, you have your gas right there, which is awesome. You can see that Hardie board siding all the way across. Nice and sturdy. It's going to last a long time. And huge backyard. And then that is your own alley access just for this house and the one next door, which goes out to Magnolia because the home faces Division Street. But a little bit about Coweta, if you're not familiar. Coweta has everything you could want, from restaurants, shopping, food, nightlife, movie theaters. They have all the stuff, but if you want even more things, you're not that far from the Rose District, which you've seen some of my videos on that. If you want to get to downtown Tulsa, less than 30 minutes, just jump on the highway and you're there. So really great location, but you're out in the country, so you're paying a lot less than you would the closer you get to Tulsa. But Coweta, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of up and coming. It's kind of wanting to become the new Rose District. Even Broken Arrow is getting a little bit more populated, and people are like, this is too much, we want to be more in the country, so they're choosing great towns like Coweta. At the time of filming, like I mentioned, it is $250,000. And we're also in a USDA qualifying area, which means you can actually get a loan on this home if you qualify and not have to pay anything for a down payment because we're in a qualifying area. So that could be great. You could get into this home and not have to have a down payment and get out of renting. Or if you're looking for a nice home that, you know, you just want to make a move, this could be a great option. So if you're interested in it, reach out to me. I would love to help you make that transition into this home and help you purchase this fabulous new construction from Chateau Homes with solid wood cabinets, Hardie board siding, granite counters, and all the things that I mentioned. So I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put a link in the description to all the photos. Bye for now.